Hey guys, I'm Ankita and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys new here then welcome to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to reviewing this Bobbi Brown mini crushed lip trio. So this is their festive lip kit, and in this lip kit they have three different types of mini lipstick. They have this crushed lip color, this is the bullet lipstick, and this crushed liquid lipstick, and also this crushed oil influenced lip gloss. So guys, this kit is available on Nykaa and I bought this from Nykaa, and with this order I have also received a full size bullet crushed lip color, and at the end of the video I will swatch this lipstick as well. So yeah, let's get started. But if you are watching me for the first time, then make sure to click that subscribe button and hit that all notification bell so that you can get notified all the time whenever I upload a new video. Now without further ado, let's get started. So the best part of this kit is that in this kit they have three different kind of lipsticks so that you can try most of their formulas. And the first lipstick, we have this crushed lip color, and this is in the shade Cranberry. So this is moisturizing bullet lipstick, and as this is crushed lip color, guys, don't expect too much of color. This is decently pigmented, and if we talk about the staying part on my lips, it stay not more than 4 hours and it do transfer a lot. But guys, you can reapply this product because after all this is moisturizing lipstick, so if you want you can reapply the product. And the next lipstick is the crushed liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Smoothie Mauve. This is a very beautiful pinkish mauve nude shade, and guys, this is moisturizing liquid lipstick. And if we talk about the coverage, it gives sheer to medium coverage, and yeah guys, it do transfer a lot and it stay on my lips not more than 2 hours, but definitely you can reapply the product. It is very lightweight lipstick and it doesn't spread out from your lips at all. So yeah, I really like the formula, and actually guys, out of these three lipsticks, this formula is my favorite. Next and the last product is the lip gloss, and this is in the shade New Romantic. Guys, this is a very light pink lip gloss, and as compared to their crushed liquid lipstick, this is slightly heavy on the lips, but this is also very comfortable and gives a plumpy effect on the lips. And now it's time to swatch the free full-size bullet lipstick, and guys, I have received the shade Telluride, and this is a very nude brown shade, and I think this is a perfect nude for darker Indian skin tone people. So that's it about this lip kit, and I really like this lip kit, especially that crushed liquid lip color. I really like the formula, and I think this is a perfect lipstick for this upcoming winter. And yeah, that's all about the video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys, follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.